what if I told you that there's a new way you can trade? There's a new way that you can start up or what online business. Okay, this feature is going to help you. Many people have not discovered it, so I have discovered it and it helped me. You can use it and be mining. You can mine every your money. You can use it and be mining. There's a new application that came up new that you can use and be getting money. Okay, it's just new. I'm just linking this for my subscribers and for my viewers. So if you are first time of crossing my video, please kindly share, drop your comment on the comment section. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this particular app. It's an application or it's on a website. Okay, you can use it and be getting money. You can trade it. Okay, you can be mining it and be trading money. Just be consistent. I'm going to link some things about Pi. I've mentioned Pi Network in my last video, how you can trade your Pi and how you can create account with Pi Network. Okay, but in my next video, apart from this one, I'm going to teach you how you can set up your KYC on Pi business. This trading app that I'm teaching you right now, you go and set up your KYC if you reach your 30 mining coin, and your if you mine it up to 30 days, you can set it and be trading it and be selling it and be getting money. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do trade it, and the name of this application is Rubi. Most of you will have had this particular thing, but it just came up, needs a new update. You can use it and be trading. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can use Rubi and be getting money. I'm going to teach you how you can create your account. I'm going to leave the link on the description. If you have finished watching this video, go to the description and with my username and the link and create your own. Okay, use my username as your referral code and use it and create your own. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own Rubi. It's not too late, but Pi Network have closed their registration. But I've told you people that you're supposed to create to go and create Pi account. But people think I'm joking, but now Pi have closed their registration. You cannot register on Pi. It's only those people that are into Pi can use it, but as for registration, you cannot use it. But this particular one, the registration is just free. You can use it and be trading. It's the same thing as Pi, but the difference is because they are different apps, but it's the same thing. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can use this particular one and be mining and how you can set it up and how you can create account and wallet in this particular app. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to do some screen record about this particular app and show you how you can use Rubi and be getting money, how you can trade on Rubi, how you can mine your Rubi. It's a coin. Many people have invested on it. So without wasting time, I'm going to teach you how you can do it. You're supposed to, if I finish teaching about this Rubi, you're supposed to go and create your account, because maybe the account will be too late. If you don't register now, the instruction will be late, because if they reach up to that amount of people that's supposed to create the account using with Rubi, they will close the registration as they close Pi Network. So without wasting time, I'm going to teach you some things you need to know about this particular Rubi. It's a very nice app. It's interesting trading app. You can use and trade any coin. You can use it and sell and buy coin with this particular app. You can sell your coin and buy. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you can use it and trade, how you can use it and how you can create account as a new beginner, and how you can also create wallet and start mining. Okay, if you want to refer, you can refer and be getting high interest rate. Okay, rate of mining. Your mining will be faster. Okay, so let's go to the screen record and let me teach you how you can use it and trade without wasting time. So let's go into it. Let's go.
Okay guys, this is what you are going to do. If you have opened your Rubi app, this is what you are going to do. If it doesn't have any Rubi app, or if it doesn't have it, you can download it on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Okay, when you open it like this, they will show you. If you have the account, you can put your password or your username or email or your phone number. Then if you haven't registered, you see down here they will say register. Then you press register. I want to teach you for new beginner. If you want to register, you can use it and register. You press register. They will say register with Google. You press register with Google. Okay, then you choose the account you want to use to register your Rubi app. Then you're going to see, you can see I have many emails. Then I will choose one If you don't have any, if you have one email or any, you choose one email to for you to use it and what register it. Let's click to this one, then you press continue. Then after you have click continue, then you go and put your username for here. After putting your username, you put your phone number, you change the country code into your own country depending the place you're watching me. If you are a USA, you change it to your country code. If you are Nigerian or Ghanaian, any country you are, you change it in your own country. Then you put a password. Okay, then I'm going to give you, you go and use, I'm going to drop a referral code on my description or in my comment section. Go and check in my comment section where they write referral code. You use the referral code, you use my own referral code and put it. Okay, I will drop the referral code is Amazing Grace. You use it Amazing Zero Grace. You use it and what put in your own, so that it will show that I have what referred you. Okay, after you have registered, after you have clicked all those things, you press confirm. Okay, then it will bring you to this interface. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this Ruby. When we have registered and it bring you to the interface, as you can see, my own is 32 Ruby. Okay, so let's go to your profile. You go to profile. Let me teach you some things you need to know about Ruby. You go to your my information. Okay, you can see I've updated my information. You put everything: your name, your surname, your gender, your date of birth, your email address, your phone number, your country, and your what state. Then after putting all those things, I'm going to teach you another thing so that you use your original name. You don't use your nickname, because one thing about this particular apps is, if you use your what nickname, when you are going to do what KYC, they will require your original name, and they will need to they will require what your name, so that if your name doesn't matches with the name, they will say they are what a scam, then they will not verify it. That's why you use your original name, so that they can do what verify it when it require what about verification. Okay, your KYC. Then let's go back. Then you see user verification. Okay, as you can see, this is the KYC. You press it. I've not met the requirement. You can see I've completed the 30 days mine. I've reached up to 30 Ruby, but they have not sent me a invitation that I should do apply my KYC. If they sent it now, I will apply my KYC immediately. Okay, then let's go back. Then you see account and security. You press it. You can, if you want to change your password, you can change your password. You can put it on two-factor authentication. This will help you if anybody want to log in with your password, they will send you a notification that someone is trying to use your password or phone number to log in. Okay, they sign in with touch ID. You can use your fingerprints or anything for you to do login. Okay, then let's go back. Then let's go to this interface. This place is where it show you. You can see this thing is reading. You will be mining it in every 24 hours. Okay, if you reach 24 hours, this thing will pop up like this and be showing and be blinking. Then you press it and choose any type of thing, whether country or any resources you want to use it, and then you press it and you will be mining it. Then let's go over to this place. This is the statistics, my group, Ruby Explore and Trading Zone. This is where you can create a group. Okay, the more you create group, the more you have members, is the more your mining rate will be rising. Okay, this place is to show you your Ruby, how you earn a Ruby, the analytics. Okay, this place is you can use it and trade. Okay, but without wasting time, I want to teach you how you can create a wallet. Let's go. Then you go to this place. Then you can see I have two wallets, but one is lost. Then I created another one, because if you forget your wallet, you have made a very big mistake, because the wallet is where your earnings will be, where you can sell your Ruby, and where you can do buy Ruby. Because without this wallet, if you lost your phrase or your seed phrase or anything, or the QR to scan it, you have lost all your what rubies. So be careful about this particular apps. Okay, then if you want to create a particular wallet, I'm teach you how you can create it. You see this place, the right plus, you can add a new wallet. You press it. Okay, then you what press continue. After pressing continue, press continue again. They allow you to choose anything. You choose. Then when you choose, you go back, you choose again. Then have you seen this? This is your seed phrase. You download it or you screenshot it. You see, if you lost this one, you can use this one. Then it will bring you to this interface. Okay, you can see there is nothing in my what wallet because I have not what apply my KYC. When you apply your KYC, they will migrate your what account, and all your rupees will be added here. You can sell it at any time. Okay,
Please, my viewers, if you find this video helpful, or if you have watched till this end, please kindly subscribe, hit the subscription button, and drop your comment in the comment section. Love you all. Let's go.